what's up, people of YouTube? This is a vlog about which is better. A refrigerator, faucet water, or faucet with one of those little things on it, or Britta. So, please like, and if you do like it, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more of these things which taste better. And if you haven't seen any of these, it's because this is my first video. You guys can vote. This is my personal opinion, and whichever has the most votes of which tastes better, we will call that the official, which is my official best tasting water. So please leave a like, as I said before, and I hope you please leave comments. So this is the Britta water, and this is the refrigerator water. I don't want to do tap water because I've already tasted it and it's worse than both of these. So I'm gonna taste both of them, and I'll see which one I like better. Pretty decent. Pretty good too. So I'm gonna do it the other way around. Yeah, Britta tastes better. So if you have one of those little faucet things again, please tell me if it's better than Britta. If you have a Britta, or want to do an experiment like this, just do it, okay? So, yeah. Britta is supreme over these two. Since I don't have one of those faucet things, I can't really test it with that. If you didn't get a view of that, it's like right over there, my faucet. I don't have one of those things on that filters it, so yeah. Hopefully you could subscribe to my thing, and I will be starting my YouTube channel soon. I'm pretty sure it'll be called Dark Army 14, maybe? Yeah, that's gotta be my thing, maybe. So, yeah, I don't know yet. So, yeah, please subscribe and like.